Hi, I'm Tim John from Beyond the Pedway, and you're plugged into Cinephile.com.
So Tim, we're talking about social media today. Give me a quick definition of what you think social media is.
I think social media is what we've always done in terms of telling people about the things we like, don't like. Like back in the day, you could email someone, or before that, I guess just tell them or call them. Now you can text them, now you can Twitter them, now you can Facebook them, now you can MySpace them. To me, it's just these new channels that are available, and they're so easy to use now. So I think that's why it's so popular, is because it's so easy to tell people what you like and what you don't like.
So you have an original web series called Beyond the Pedway. So tell me about the series, and also tell me, how do you market it? How do you get it out there on the web, and who's your audience? How do you build that?
Beyond the Pedway is a weekly web series. Every Friday I post an interview with a different creative company in Chicago. I primarily share or promote via online channels. That's why, like I say, these tools are different now. Like I use Twitter a lot to promote. I use Facebook too. I use the tools that people are on and the tools that work.
For someone who's going to enter the space, what's the game plan? What kind of strategy should they employ?
I think as soon as there's some media, as soon as your story has begun, and when I say by media, it could be a blog post with text, it can be images, it could be video, it could be an audio podcast. But as soon as there's some sort of media for people to play with, to interact with, that's when you should start. A blog is a great way to just share information. You can, get a website on the internet, have one address to point people to and say, hey, every day we're gonna put up new info on what we're creating here. You can come check it out, you can subscribe, you can get emails about it. This is where we're gonna be telling you about what we're doing. And then from there you can expand. You can get on Twitter if you want. It also depends on your audience.
Every artist has 1,000 true fans. The idea that you have 1,000 true fans, and that if you focus on those 1,000 fans and market to them, you can build an audience from them. Because those 1,000 people have friends and relatives, and it expands and expands and expands. And I think that guerrilla filmmakers, if they're clever, will go after those 1,000 fans, and they will go after them while they're in production, while they're in post-production, maybe even in pre-production. But you have to be consistent. You can't do it once or twice and go, oh, no one's responding or something. You have to be consistent, you have to do it daily, you have to do it regularly, you have to follow through on what you're doing. And I think then people will recognize, wow, that person has got some legs, some legitimacy.
Really what I try to send out on the 137 Films Twitter is more about articles in the science community or milestones we have as an organization, like getting a MacArthur grant. So I kind of use it as almost a AP wire for our organizational news, but I don't feel that the Twitter has been that successful. We have an okay number of followers, and I think we have the right kind of followers. A lot of people in the science community follows us. I think the big thing is you want an audience that matches what you're looking for. On the other hand, we have a Facebook page, and people interact awesomely with that. Most of us at 137 blog. I post Clayton's blogs, and people seem to really like those. I post production stills on Facebook, I post news, and I think we have a good following on Facebook, and people are interacting.
If you're talking about people who love behind the scenes work, I'm guessing they're going to be on Cinephile, or the people that are on Cinephile probably like behind the scenes work because they're in the industry. They might be obsessed with, cameras or obsessed with lighting, so they're going to be interested in that content you have to share. If you can hop on Cinephile and find people that love what you love, start chatting with them, and then grow from there. It's kind of, to me, it's like the icebreaker, You already have a community of people that love doing what you're doing. What better way to start,